iTAC software offers innovative product solutions to support you in the execution of your production order, all the way from order planning to delivery. The Maintenance Manager helps with machine maintenance to ensure the efficient processing and monitoring of all maintenance tasks. The intelligent tool can be used for effective material and personnel planning, as well as to create maintenance tasks in production. The Maintenance Manager works on every browser and can also be used on mobile devices. With just a few clicks, you can create maintenance orders, assign them to maintenance staff, and have them automatically scheduled in production. Data from an analytics service can be integrated in the Maintenance Manager to predict the best time for maintenance using machine data. This way, your maintenance is perfectly coordinated with your production plan. iTAC.Maintenance.Manager, the intelligent tool for the efficient support of your maintenance tasks. If you have any questions, please contact our sales team or visit our website.